Continuing coverage tonight on the arrest of a woman whose baby was found with traces of cocaine and later died.
The Ector County District Attorney is questioning a decision by the medical examiner's office to not perform an autopsy on the child. Tonight, CBS 7's Macy Marigi talks with the medical examiner who shares that side of the story. Macy?
Jay Tatum, Dr. Ann Ackerman defends the investigator's decision not to order an autopsy. She says from a medical standpoint, the baby's death was not directly caused by drug use, but it was an investigator, not the examiner, who made that decision.
This was an attended death in a hospital. This baby had been very prematurely delivered at home, was immediately addressed with some very critical care issues as soon as the baby rolled through the doors of the emergency room at Medical Center. What this baby had was among the very worst of the severe complications of its extreme prematurity.
The baby dealt with a laundry list of medical issues.
They have severe lung problems. They don't breathe well on their own. This baby was intubated immediately.
And the list goes on. Ackerman says the investigator, Sandra Wolf, her supervisor, Shirley Standifer, the attending physician, and the police all discussed whether or not to send the baby for an autopsy.
Everybody's conclusion was, well, the autopsy isn't going to add anything to this. And the police said, fine, we understand. If that's the decision, that's the decision. Clearly, if they had felt strongly about it, they would have pushed. They'd say, call Dr. Ackerman, see what she thinks.
But she says at the time they were content with the decision.
I have never had anybody discuss a complaint with the medical examiner's office before this case with me.
Now the grand jury recommends that the county commissioner's court take immediate action against the ME's office. But Dr. Ackerman says no one has called her about any action yet. In the newsroom, Macy Marigi, CBS 7 News.